Hi, my name is Maurizio. I'm the Director of Inspectrixx UK and U-Certify Limited. We carry out electrical inspections across the UK in the commercial and industrial sectors.
Hi, my name is Dan Abignali. I am Lead Software Developer and Director of U-Certify Limited.
I think we're one of the few companies that have taken the interest of going and asking the electrical industry itself what it needs and what it wants and how it thinks it can use those to achieve what it's trying to achieve.
For example, the ability to cross-reference from BS 7671 on the schedule of test results within the condition report, and the fact that the program can take out bits of information from that page and give you a result whether or not something is a hazard, over CCC, unacceptable, and be able to make sure that the inspection, the installation, and the job that is being done is done properly.
That the software is going to change the industry is we've actually asked other electrical contractors to carry out testing for us on the software.
Hi, my name's Paul Hurt. We've been working with Maurizio with regards to his inspection software for the last year or so.
Hi, my name's Ben. I work for P&R Hurt Electrical in Yeovil. I find this a lot more efficient using this software. One of the main features that sticks out for me is how it automatically puts on the observations. It automatically brings it over to the observations and it leaves you to code it how you feel fit.
And this is really useful from our point of view because he's listening to contractors, he's actually applying what we're asking him to do. We're testing an extremely large factory which has got 6 substations, the largest cold rolling mill in Europe, with multiple pages, multiple sections of reports, and produce a document that's really useful not only to us as a contractors but to our customer as well, so that they are able to make the best use of that particular document in being able to address the defects, deviations and non-compliances that we found, prioritise them in a way that the remedials have been carried out effectively in a production environment.
The fact that it's automatically cross-referencing and automatically placing observations onto a report for us, so our engineer isn't having to sit there at the end of the job and copying maybe what he's written on pen and paper into section K. I mean, that's dramatically increased productivity.
Most of our features actually come from the electrical industry itself. A prime example of this is the observations. We know that there's a lot of electricians that have to spend a lot of time in the office or away from site, having to move observations manually that they've made, regardless of it's a over CCC or if it's just a normal observation as if it's a broken socket. So what we've done with U-Certify is make it so that the program can automatically detect and locate observations that the user has made and it itself has made, and then move them on to page 2 where it's all generated automatically, which should and has saved electricians a lot of time in the office. Well, ultimately we want to make a software which will tick all the boxes that all electricians need to help finalise a job, and this is why we have taken the question of the wants and the needs of the electrical industry to the electrical industry itself.
I like what you said about everyone working together. Something I'm very passionate about is I think the more people that work together makes us stronger. We're always constantly learning something new that we haven't spotted before. The more we can see that, our feedback to you is great.
So we're very happy to endorse what Maurizio has achieved so far, working so very closely with his colleague to produce an excellent piece of software that hasn't got the limitations that we see on software we've been using previously. My electricians have found it particularly useful, particularly easy to use, and they're all very keen to progress it further.
What do you think then, guys?
That's a hell of a bit of kit. That is a hell of a bit of kit.
There isn't a day goes by that Maurizio doesn't get can we have another item to add to our wish list. You're going to get a very usable, very useful, a user-friendly piece of equipment. We're very pleased, as I say, and it's over to you to keep up the good work. Thank you very much indeed.
Take on U-Certify, and its ultimate goal is to get everyone together to make software by electricians for electricians.